lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video is going to be a Boxycharm Pop Up Haul. I just got my order in from the last Boxycharm Pop Up, so I thought I would just share with you guys what all I picked up during that deal or sale, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to show you guys each and every product, tell you guys prices, and all that good stuff. But to no further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right on into this video. Alright, so I ended up placing about 2 orders because usually with their Boxycharm like pop-ups or just any deals that they have going on, sometimes later on during the month they will add new products or things like that. So I like to check and see if they've added anything else that I want. So with my first order, I got 2 products. And the first one is from Ciate London, and that is this Miss Piggy collection here. This is a blush. I believe it's just a blush palette is what it's called. But here it is. It says a cream face palette. Here's what the palette looks like. It's got some nice blush shades in it. I paid around $12 for this, which I don't think is too bad considering it's Ciate London. I'll go ahead and swatch them. But interesting enough, I guess it does have cream products in here. This one feels cream. I didn't realize it had cream in it, but that's okay. Actually, this cream product's not swatching very well. But I've seen this on their Boxycharm pop-ups like a lot, so I've always thought about getting it, but I never jumped the gun. So this last time I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and pick this up. I don't know if these are supposed to be like cream to powder because they don't feel like cream, but they don't feel like powder. And honestly, they're not swatching very well, so I may have to just test this out. Anyways, there's the terrible swatches of them. They're really not swatching that well, so it may just be one of those products you have to just apply to the face to get it to work. But the colors are very pretty, so I am a little disappointed I didn't realize it was cream, and I don't remember it saying cream on the website, but I may have overlooked it. But nonetheless, I'm going to try this out and see how I like it. Alright, and then the other product that I picked up was this product from Marc Jacobs. This is the Cafe Omega X3. It's like a bronzer, highlighter, and blush palette. Or I wouldn't really call it a palette. It's just their typical, big packaging. Marc Jacobs big packaging, and then on the inside. That's what it looks like. And I paid around $18 for this, which is not too bad because Marc Jacobs products are pretty pricey. So I will go ahead and swatch this. So I had thought that Marc Jacobs was going out of business, and then some of my lovely subscribers informed me that they're not closing down, they're just rebranding. So that's good to know. But there are the swatches. So I'm pretty excited to try this out. Then I placed another order because I went back and saw some more items that they had added that I wanted. So first up was like a bundle deal, like you pay one price for it's basically paying one price for 2 products. So I went ahead and picked up these 2 Ofra highlighters. They were like a bundle deal for $12.99, and I thought that was a really good deal because Ofra highlighters are not cheap. So these are they're both the same same type of highlighter, but I always thought, maybe a friend or family would want it, or maybe I'll put it in a giveaway. It won't go to waste. So this is the retro highlighter, which I'm not crazy about the purple side of the highlighter because I don't know if you guys know what it looks like. There is like a purple side to the highlighter, but mainly I wanted it for this shade because I think this is like Starlight or something. It's a shade that I don't have in my collection, so I was like, maybe the purple won't be so bad, so I'll swatch it. And it isn't actually that bad. Like, I feel if I went in really light-handed, I could get the purple to work. Or maybe if I mix the 2. They're very pretty shades. But anyways, I thought this was a really good deal, especially because I paid $12.99 for 2 Ofra highlighters. So like I said, I'll keep one, and then I'll probably put this in a giveaway or pass it on to a family or friend see if they want it. Then I picked up a Tarte palette, and this is the Be You Naturally eyeshadow palette. I paid $12 for this. I love the packaging. The packaging is so pretty. I love the leaves. Anyways, it's just this very neutral palette. Let me turn down my lights a little because there we go. That way you can see the colors better. Anyways, I thought that was a really good deal, especially for Tarte. Tarte's not cheap. But I'm excited to use this. Alright, and then last but not least is this product from Doll 10. I've never heard of this brand, and I was really curious to try that out. So it's this 4-piece lip collection, and this retailed for, and I paid $12 for this, which is not a bad deal at all for 4 lipsticks. Although I don't know much about this brand, you know, I was really very curious to try it out. So it comes with 4 lipsticks. So we have the shade Watermelon Bliss, which is this they're very like neutrally kind of colors. So there it is swatched. Very nice. Then Guave, I think Kiss is how you say that. I don't know. I'm probably butchering that, but then Raspberry Rush. That one's a bit darker. And then last but not least is just called Juicy. So I have to say, I'm definitely more drawn to these 2 lighter ones, but these 2 are very pretty still. So I'm pretty curious to try this brand out, because like I said, I've never heard of them. But there you go, guys. That's my little haul from the Boxycharm pop-up deal that they had going on. I'm pretty happy with everything that I picked up. The only thing I was a little disappointed on was this Miss Piggy palette here. I thought it was powder. I may have just overlooked it, but it does seem to be, I think it's a cream base. But that's okay. Maybe I'll end up really liking it. The shades are really pretty, and I do really like the packaging. So maybe I'll end up liking it. But yeah, other than that, all the other products I'm pretty happy with, and I'm pretty excited to use. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, because that really does help out my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you thought of the products that I picked up. Did you guys pick up anything during the Boxycharm pop-up, or did you just not see anything you wanted? Let me know down in the comments, because I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!